Have you ever felt sleepy after drinking mango juice and wondered why? Watch the video until the end to discover why we often feel sleepy after drinking mango juice, while exploring the history of this juicy fruit and mango juice's production process. From harvesting, sorting, washing, peeling, destoning, and cutting mangoes to extracting juice from the pulp and its homogenization, pasteurization, packaging, and distribution, every step promises a fresh and nutritious end product. The king of fruits, mango is one of the world's most popular fruits, and for good reasons. They're delicious, nutritious, and versatile. The tropical fruit native to India has a smooth, fleshy skin that can be green, yellow, or red when ripe. It's juicy and sweet, with a slight tangy flavor. Mangoes come in various shapes and sizes, typically about 3 to 5 inches, 8 to 12 centimeters long, and 2 to 3 inches, 5 to 8 centimeters wide. Mangoes can be consumed fresh or used in a variety of dishes. They're popular in smoothies, juices, salads, and desserts. Mangoes can also be used to make pickles, chutneys, and marmalades, and have several health benefits. They're a good source of vitamins A, C, and E, and contain fiber and potassium. 1 cup of mango contains about 100 calories, 13 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of fiber, and 1 gram of protein, packed with antioxidants, which help to protect the body against damage from free radicals. Mangoes can protect against cancer, boost the immune system, and improve heart health. But since when did the world become aware of this delicious fruit? The earliest cultivated mangoes were found in the Indus Valley Civilization, which flourished from 3300 to 1900 BC. These mangoes were much smaller than the mangoes we know today, but they were still very sweet and flavorful. Mangoes were introduced to Southeast Asia and China around 2000 BC, and Middle East and Africa around 1000 BC. They were introduced to Americans by Spanish in the 16th century. They were first grown in Florida and California during the 1880s, and have become an important crop in many tropical and subtropical regions worldwide ever since. Today, India is the world's leading mango producer, followed by China, Mexico, Thailand, and Philippines. Mangoes are also grown in other tropical and subtropical regions, including South America, Africa, and Middle East. With 90 countries participating in the production, about 60 million metric tons, approximately 130 billion pounds of mangoes are produced worldwide each year, with the global market standing at around $60 billion. Reportedly, nearly 20 million metric tons, 44 billion pounds of mangoes were consumed worldwide in 2021 and 2022. India is the biggest grower and consumer of global mango yields, accounting for almost half of the annual global mango production, approximately 20 million metric tons, nearly 44 billion pounds. Mango juice is a relatively recent invention. The first recorded mention of mango juice is in a cookbook published in 1914. However, mango juice has likely been made in India and other places in Asia for centuries. The first commercial mango juice production is believed to have occurred in India in the 1930s. In the 1940s, the California Fruit Growers Exchange introduced mango juice to the US. Today, many top beverage companies produce mango juice from different mango varieties. Mango juice is the 7th most loved fruit juice, with the market worth nearly $20 billion US. But what goes on behind the scenes of mango juice production? The best time to plant mangoes is from spring to fall, roughly from April to October. Mangoes thrive well under pressure ranging from around 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, nearly 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, and humidity levels of approximately 50 to 80%. Mangoes are harvested at the correct stage of maturity. Mangoes that are picked when they're immature can be made to ripen, but the quality of the ripe fruit, especially the taste, is lower. Maturity is determined by shape, peel and pulp color, flavor, and aroma. Mango trees take 5 to 8 years to become mature before they can start flowering. Mangoes take around 3 to 4 months to become fully ripe after flowering. A mango is considered fully ripe when it develops full cheeks, a flat shoulder at the stem end, bloom, a white powdery substance on the peel, and a dark to light green or light creamy yellow pulp. 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. is the best time for harvesting mature fruits, minimizing latex flow, a sticky, milky allergen found in some fruits. Latex stains cause displeasing latex burns, which are a major cause of rejection, especially if fruits are exported or sold to premium markets like supermarkets and hotels. Harvesting directly after rain will also lead to skin softening and damage. Small-scale operations may use hand picking, where workers climb the trees and carefully remove the ripe mangoes. They use picking poles with a net bag attached to each for catching the fruit once it's severed from the branch. This process is the most gentle on the fruit, resulting in the highest quality juice. Large-scale operations often use mechanical harvesters. These machines use different methods to remove the mangoes from the trees, including shaking, vibrating, or using water cannons. The harvested mangoes are then transferred to a collecting container lined with clean plastic or jute sack to prevent damage to the fruit. Now, the mangoes are transported to juice factories. At the manufacturing plant, mangoes pass through rollers spaced at different intervals. The mangoes with the correct size, color, shape, and quality fall through the rollers, while those with defects will be rejected. Juice manufacturers use various washing methods to ensure that the mangoes used in mango juice production are clean and free of bacteria and other contaminants. This is important for the juice's safety and the quality of taste. Depending on specific requirements and affordability, mangoes can be washed using high-pressure chlorinated washers, steam, vacuum, ozone, and ultrasonic washers. The mangoes are then passed through a machine with a rotating brush to peel off the mango's skins without damaging them. They are then passed through a water bath to remove any remaining skin particles. Mechanical scrapers scrape the peels off the rollers, which fall onto the peel discharge conveyor. Next, a destemmer uses a rotating blade to cut the mangoes in halves and removes the pit or stone. The destoned mangoes pass through a water bath to remove the remaining pit particles. The scrapers separate and discard the seeds while the peeled and destoned mangoes move towards cutting and pulping machines by electric conveyors. The peeled and destoned mangoes are cut into smaller pieces by the rotating blades of the mango cutters and pulping machines. They break them down into slices and pulps while separating the fibrous parts. The mango pulp is passed through a fine mesh or sieve twice to remove any remaining fibrous material and obtain a smooth pulp. The fine mesh filter is made of stainless steel or nylon, preventing seeds or other large particles from passing through it. The second filter removes leftover smaller particles. If additives are used, the mango pulp is mixed thoroughly to ensure uniform distribution. A high-pressure water jet in the homogenizer breaks down the mango's cell walls, resulting in a smooth juice with a uniform texture. The juice is pasteurized at nearly 170 to 280 degrees Fahrenheit, around 80 to 140 degrees Celsius, between 2 to 30 seconds. There are two main types of pasteurization: high temperature short time, or FanTECHstic, and ultra high temperature pasteurization, UHT. Pasteurization eliminates harmful bacteria or microorganisms and extends the juice's shelf life. The mango juice is then packaged into containers such as bottles, cartons, or pouches by machines called bottle fillers. The bottle filler has a long, narrow spout that is inserted into the bottle. The juice is then pumped into the bottle through the spout. Once the bottle is filled with mango juice, it's sealed, after which a bottle capper caps it with its rotating arm. Before the mango juice leaves the factory, it undergoes quality control checks, ensuring it meets the required standards. Labels with product information, nutritional facts, and expiry dates are also applied to the packaging. To maintain quality, the packaged mango juice is stored at 40 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 to 15 degrees Celsius. It's then distributed to retailers, supermarkets, or other distribution channels for sale. Now, you must be thinking, how can mango juice make us feel sleepy? Mangoes contain the amino acid tryptophan, which is converted to serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate sleep. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition Research found that drinking mango juice before bed improves sleep quality in people with insomnia. I love mango juice. Which mango juice do you like? Tell us in the comments section. Thank you for watching today's episode. Hit like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. We'll see you in the next one.